Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to guide you through the process of fixing microphone issues on Windows 10. Alright, the first step is to click on the Start button and then click on this gear-shaped icon to open Settings panel. Now, once in the Settings panel is open, what you need to do is to scroll down and click on Privacy. In the Privacy section, look for an option named Microphone. Click on Microphone. Here, make sure that the option Allow apps to access your microphone is turned on. If it's turned off, just toggle it on. Also, check if the specific app you're having trouble with has a microphone access turned on. For example, if you're using Skype, make sure it's allowed here. If you're facing issues with a specific app like Skype, make sure to turn on the microphone access for that particular app. You can find it here under the app settings. Now, let's move on to the next method. In the search box, type Control Panel and open it. Within the Control Panel, click on Hardware and Sound. Under Sound, identify your microphone. Once you find it, click on it to select. Click on Set Default and then press OK. Double check on your microphone, go to the Levels tab and ensure that the volume is set to the maximum. And there you have it. These steps should help you fix the microphone issues in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.